Hey, first grade. We're going to play Start With and Get To today. Now, you've been playing this game for a while now, so this game should be pretty familiar. However, if you look on my screen, something may look a little weird, a little strange, different than what you're used to. I've got two empty spaces. I've got an empty green space that says Start With, and I've got a red empty space that says Get To. Usually, don't we have a number already there? Yeah, so today, to start off this game, we're going to have to flip over two cards. And whatever those two cards are, we're going to start with and get to. But you have to help me decide, are we going to be counting forwards or are we going to be counting backwards? Okay, you ready to flip the first number? Here we go. We're going to start with the number 14. And this next card is what we're going to get to. You ready? Ooh, the number 11. So at home, think about this. We're going to start with the number 14, and we have to get to the number 11. Do we have to count forwards or backwards? Think about that at home. What do you think? What if you're like, I have no idea? Guess what? I have a number line in front of me. I'm going to use this to help. So I've also got these super cute little clothespins that are going to help me. I've colored one green and I've colored one red. So what number do you think I'm going to put this green clothespin on? The number what? 14. So on my number line, I'm going to pin right on the number 14. You see that? Now, what number do I have to get to? 11. Is that going to be after 14 or before 14? I think I heard that before. So, if I go from green to red, we're going to be counting backwards. Okay? So let's start with 14 and we're going to get to 11. You ready? 14, 13, 12, 11. Good job. All right, now I'm going to turn these over and I'm going to pick two more cards. And I can take my clothespins off. You ready? Let's do it one more time. We're going to start with the number 9 and get to 10. Is that a pretty easy one? All right, so I'm going to use my number line again. Where am I going to put my green clothespin? On 9, so put it right over 9. And then I put my red one where? Right next to it. So I'm going to be counting forwards just once. Ready? 9, 10. That was so easy. Let's do one more. You're also going to help me a little bit more with this next one. You ready? So we're going to start with the number 3. That's another easy one. We're going to get to the number 4. Now, before we do the clothespin, I want you to think about these two numbers. Okay? How would you compare these two numbers? Would you say maybe 3 is less than 4? Okay, 3 is less than 4. See how I just wrote that? This reads 3 is less than 4. Or another way I could write it is 4 is greater than 3. Okay, 4 is greater than 3. Now, from here, you may be thinking, well, what is this sign? This is the less than and greater than sign. And what I like to tell myself, and this may be a little silly, but hopefully you'll like it and you'll remember. So when I was your age and I was learning about this, my teacher always said, think of this greater than sign as an alligator. And alligators always want to eat more. So see his open mouth? He's eating the 4 because 4 is greater than 3. Okay? See over here? See the teeth? 3 is less than 4. Pretty cool, huh? That may be something new. So, on this next one, these next 2 cards that I turn over, you're going to help me do the clothespin and the greater than or less than sign. Are you ready? I'm going to flip these over so you don't get confused. You ready? We're going to start with the number 6, and we're going to get to the number 1. So first, help me out. At home, tell me, how would you say this? Can you help me at home? Remember, those are the alligator teeth. He's eating this number because it's what? 6 is greater than 1. Okay, now what would this say? One is less than 6. Good job. Now, my clothesline. What number do I start with? Number 6. So I'm going to pin the green one on 6. And I'm going to get to what number? 1. Am I going to be counting forwards or backwards? Backwards. Good. Let's start at 6. Ready? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pretty good, first grade. All right. That concludes today's Start With and Get To. Remember, at home, you can play this game as long as you want. So keep practicing. You can flip these over. You can change it up. You can put the first card in the Get To box and the second card with the Start With box. Okay? Have fun with this. Play around and have fun. Bye, first grade.